wrapping up his France visit today, the Prime Minister will be headed to the United States. And this is a very significant visit. This is the first visit of the Prime Minister to the United States under Trump 2.0 administration. So this will be an official working visit of the Prime Minister to the United States at the invitation of President Donald Trump. During this two-day visit, the focus will be on bolstering ties and unlocking new avenues of cooperation. Prime Minister Modi will hold bilateral meeting with President Trump in both restricted as well as a delegation level format. And he will also be interacting with business leaders as well as members of the Indian community during the visit. The Prime Minister and President Trump, remember, do share a very good rapport, as has been witnessed during the Prime Minister's two visits to the United States during Trump's first term. Now, this meeting between the two leaders will be an opportunity to further strengthen the ties between the two nations, with focus expected to be on trade, investment, technology, defense and energy cooperation. Let's go across to Senior Executive Editor Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan joining us on the broadcast. He's joining us from the United States. Madhav, it's a good morning here. A very packed visit of the Prime Minister likely, and this is a very significant visit, being the first after Trump 2.0 takes over. What is to look forward to? What are the key agendas on this meeting?